As of now, we have completed with this beam column assigning part, okay, and the property have been perfectly assigned. When you right click on this, you can see that the perfectly beam column, beam 200 cross 300 member has been perfectly assigned here, okay. Now the further step, as this was the same building we will be trying to make, that is the G plus 2 story. It was the G plus 2 story, right? It is the G plus 3 story, G plus 3 third floor and the roof level, okay. This all these stories will be there, okay. So we will be making the same building. So for that we will go to our model here. In it we go for this edit. In edit we go for this edit stories and the grid system. Just click on it, and you can see that all these details are being seen here. Just click on it. Here we will be type the name. I will show once again how we go there. Go to edit. In edit we go for this edit stories and the grid system. Then after, the window will open of the grid edit stories and the grid system data. Here we have to this much option, the grid story data and the grid system. We have seen in the previous video all these details, okay. When you just click on this show modify story data, window will open like this. Here we can change the names and change the floor height and all that details. I will just name it as the foundation. Then it is the ground floor. Then it is the first floor, second floor, third floor, and we need to add one more floor, that is the fourth floor, that is the terrace level. Just choose here, right click and click on this add story, keep existing story height. Choose here one story, insert above the story as the TF, that is the third story, and here just click on OK, and you can see that the one more story has been added, that is the terrace level, okay. And you can see that all the details have been perfectly added as that of the previous model. Base, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, and the roof. Here we have added as the form of the terrace, third floor, second floor, first floor, ground floor, and the foundation level, with the same dimension as the height as the 3 meter. And we will be mastering this third floor as the master story, and we will be making the similar story as the second, first, and the ground floor. Just click on OK, and or we just master this ground floor level and make this terrace level also as the third floor, similar to third floor. So our part of the modeling will be easier. Just click on OK, and then after, you can see that we are on the first floor. This is the ground floor level. First of all, we will be set this view to go to this set view options. Just to go to this object type, here just click on apply and click on OK. Here just undeform it, and all the details of it will be gone. Just click on the 3D view and undeform it. It is not undeforming, means we have to go to this set display options. In it, window will open. Just click on this object assignment, just choose here as the section, just click on apply and just click on OK. The section properties will be gone, okay. Now we need to see that all these dimensions are being perfect, and the details of are being same. Now we need to replicate this to the above stories. How to replicate it, means how to make the same story apply to the above. First of all, select this in the one story format, choose here as the one story. Here choose as the select all of this, okay. As you can see that the beam and the columns are being selected perfectly. Then after, we go to this edit. In the menu bar we go to edit. In edit we go for the replicate. Here is the option present as the replicate. Just click on this replicate or control R. I prefer to go to this edit and then go to replicate for the easier application, and a window will open like this of the replicate, okay. Then in it, we just choose here as the story. In it, it is the ground floor, and we want to the same story dimension in the form of the we will be just choosing here as the first floor, and I will show you. Just click on apply, and you can see that all the details have been shown properly, as whatever the details were been present of this ground floor level, the same details are now been added to the first floor level, okay. When you control Z, all the detail will be gone, okay. And there is the option present in the this delete original objects. Here when you just click on this apply, it will delete, okay. First of all, we have to just select this ground floor level in the one story format, and here choose the option as the delete original object. Just click on apply, and you can see that the ground floor level will be gone, and it will be transferred to the first floor level, all the details. Okay, when you write Control Z, it will once again come back. Okay, now what to do? So for particularly this, as of now the ground floor level doesn't have the floors, so we will be replicate to this first floor. First of all, first floor level, just click on this apply, and you can see that the storage has been added here. Just click on this OK, and we go to this first floor level. Then after we will be dealing with adding all the floors, and then once again replicating this first floor level to the second floor, third floor, and the terrace level. Okay, for the faster modeling. So for that we go to this draw rectangular floor, as this option of the quick draw floor will not work because we are currently not working in the form of the grids. Okay, so for basically choose this draw rectangular floors. In it, the properties of the object window will open like this. In it, we have to choose the property as the slab 150 mm two-way. Then after we have to somehow zoom it, and just drag and drop the rectangular columns, rectangular slab. Okay, as you see that I have placed it in the plan view first floor, and it is showing in the plan view first floor. Okay, all the details are being same. It is the slab 150 mm two-way. Same details are being present here as we have mentioned here. Okay, uh, okay, then after it is not the same that we have deal here. Okay, so we go to our back. In it we go for this where it is. This was the not the model, it was the another model. This was the ground floor plus this is the another model I have taken for the YouTube. Just save your current. Yes, just I will choose that model and see the further detail. Here you can see that all this all the model was like this. Our model is like this. Here the stories are don't need to worry that all the details are been same. Okay, I have taken from it, but this was the G plus 2 story plus terrace level, so we will be dealing in that form. So how to do it? Just go to our model. In it we have just choose here, go to this edit. In edit, go to edit stories and the grid system. Here the terrace third floor level is not required, as this is the G plus 2 story. Just click on this modify show, and here we just delete this third story by selecting it and right click, and just click here on the delete story, delete existing story, add the structure, add the story. And you can see that all the second floor and the third terrace level has been present. And we just master this second floor, and we will be making this copy as in the form of the for the first floor and the terrace level as the second floor as the similar story. Just click on OK. Then after you can see that the G plus 2 story plus the terrace level is been there. Just click on OK. Then after just move down to our first floor. In it we have to place the escape first of all, and as we have made this rectangle slab, now we have to make once again all this rectangular slab. Okay, just choose here as the draw rectangular floor. In it the property name as the slab 150 mm. Just drag and drop. All the detail are the same like we have done for the manual way in at this plan view. Okay, just drag and drop. This is the just the revision part, like you for that model. How we can do it in the faster way, you can see here. Just drag and drop, and I prefer you that you have to make this once again by using this importing format. Okay, I will provide the AutoCAD format file to you in the resources format. Just drag and drop here the floors, and we will be then replicating it this floor to the above stories. Okay, as this were all the second two-way slab. Okay, only the one slab is the one way here present here, that is this slab is the only the one way slab. Okay, then after we just choose here and drag one by one and place the detail of it. This part is very much important. If you skip this part and if you just get tired of working on it, then it is then our model will be failing. If you just place like this, it will not work. Okay, if you just place like this, it will not work. It will be getting some problem in the further part of the analysis. Okay, just choose this part, and our two-way slab have been assigned. Now we will choose here as the property. In it we will choose here as the one-way slab, choose here as the one way, and here we will choose here as the drag and drop, and you can see that the one-way slab has been placed, but its orientation, local axis orientation, is in the different direction. We have to place this in the opposite direction, perpendicular direction to this, because the load is being transferred to this sign means it is transferring the load to this side. These two beams, it is transferring the load, but as of the one-way slab, it carries the overall load to the shorter side columns, shorter side beams. So it will be carrying the load to this beam and this beam. Okay, to change this orientation, just we have to select this slab. Then after, we just go to this assign. In assign, we go to this shell. In shell, we have to go for this local axis. In it, window will open of this shell assignment local axis. In it, rotation angle from the default orientation, here we have to put it as the 90, and just click on apply, and you can see that the orientation of it has been changed properly. Okay, like this way it works. Now all the details have been assigned properly. Just we do it here as the undeformed, and then after, we just select all of this, and we will be replicating it. Choose here as the one story format. Just choose here all this detail. Then after, we just go to edit. In edit, we go for the replicate. In replicate, we go for this story. In story, we will be selecting the second floor and the terrace level, as currently we are working in the first floor level. Just click on this apply, and you can see that it has been replicated properly in the all story format, and like this way it works. Okay, so basically how we did it, like this way we do the modeling part. In the further videos, we will see the load patterns, load combinations, and then assigning, and then analysis part. Okay, so that's it for this video.